Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming essentials: app updated, permissions granted, and accessories paired. Enable notifications and do not disturb so alerts won't interrupt gameplay. Once paired, open the gaming mode app and pick the high-performance power profile. This reduces throttling and lowers input lag. Make sure background sync is off to free CPU cycles. Starting with these steps speeds everything up and prevents common interruptions when you enter a match or load a big level. Once done with launch settings, you refine in-game optimization to balance visuals and performance. Change the frame cap and refresh rate to match your monitor. For example, 60 FPS at 1080p reduces stutters. Next, enable network prioritization so game packets go first and switch on UDP acceleration if the app offers it to lower ping. Then assign overlay and recording shortcuts and save a profile per game so your preferred mix of graphics, audio. To finish, run a short test match and watch the overlay for FPS, ping, and temperature to confirm stability. If you see stutters or frame drops, first close heavy background apps and lower resolution or effects. This immediately reduces load. Make sure GPU drivers and the app are current. If problems persist, reset the gaming profile or reinstall the app, but back up custom profiles beforehand so you don't lose tune settings. This final sweep ensures consistent gameplay performance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.